Is this the coconut oil shipment?
Yes, batch number 42. Bring it over here.
Oils poured into reaction tank. Alkali solution added slowly. Giant mixer churning. Chemical reaction forming soft soap paste.
Addition of glycerin and moisturizers. Glycerin added to soap paste. Mixer blending. Creamy, silky soap texture.
Soap bars entering tumbling drum, rotating slowly, shiny surface emerging, close up.
Bars exiting drum, smooth and glossy, ready for packling. Conveyor belt motion. Bars entering automatic wrapper. Precise mechanical arms placing bars into foil. Rhythmic motion.
Carton sealed. Lux label applied. Automated arms handling boxes. Close-up of branded box.
Is the Anderson shipment secure?
Yes, sealed and ready to roll.
A little further back, watch the strap. Okay, that's good.